YouTube. Looks like I have to replace something for the Street Fighter. Right here. These cheapy ones I bought from Amazon. I'm not even sure what the name is. Let's see. Here, whatever. But anyway. Looks like these things broke. Well, the clutch side. Bar mirror is broken. I don't know if you noticed in my last video, but this thing's like shaking like that when I pick up speed. Normally when you're doing the bar turns, you can tighten these two things right here. But yeah, they're tight and it's like pretty much broken. So I got a replacement. These are also just temporary. These are MCS Tony bar end mirrors. So basically, since once I have one already installed, all I should need is just this part and connect it to right here, like that. So, all right, well, we'll get into it and put these on, and then I'll test them out. Oh yeah, and I also got these in to replace the silver clips right here. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. I'll show you putting one side on, and then it's pretty simple. All you need is some grip pliers, and you just snap it on. So, but I'll show you guys if you want to know. But that was one thing I definitely wanted to replace too, the silver, make it black. So, all right, let's get to putting these on. No, all right. Hey guys, I'm gonna just use a 4mm hex. So, same thing, 4mm. And loosen this one up. Like. So, I'll grab the screw and put it in there, and we're in there. Alright guys, got it on. Look okay. So I'm gonna test them out. Go on ride and test them out, but first of all, these are definitely cheaper than the last ones. But yeah, I'm gonna put this thing on here, show you guys that, and let's go. Guys, got this unpackaged. What do they call this thing? Spring clip rear nut. It's by Ducabike. It's black, as you see. The stock one is silver. Make sure you have your grip pliers. Put some tape on, some painter's tape or something around them so you don't actually scratch the black. I imagine this is probably easy to scratch right off. Basically, just take this one. This one's actually in there. Alright, pop that one off. Alright, yeah, it's scratched up pretty easy. Alright, got a scratch right here. So yeah, I'll get like a black marker and fix that. But yeah, so that's it. You guys think I'll show you guys outside. It looks like, I mean, it's not that big of a mod, but it looks better than the silver. So, alright. Fix the bar and mirrors. Now it's time to go on a ride. Let's go. Out here testing out these replacement bar end mirrors. I'd say they're pretty good. And it's also my second day trying out the Gillis tooling rear sets. Pretty much out here just enjoying the ride. It's a spring day. This thing gripping. Gripping around these turns, man. I love this thing. I love this bike. Yep, so they're holding on pretty good. Hey guys, what the everything looks like. How do I put it on now? This thing needs a bath. How dirty the wheels are. Yep, got the black spring on there. Haven't got the replacement bar ends until the ones I actually want come in. Yep, so they actually don't seem as flimsy as the other ones. I don't think the other ones are gonna break like these ones did. So yeah, like I do typically all the time whenever I do anything with the bike or make a video with the bike, I do a walk around of all the parts I got on it, I installed on it. And note, I installed all the parts myself. That's my goal with the bike, to actually install everything myself, all the mods myself. And yeah, it's pretty much like a learning curve too, because Ducatis are basically one of the bikes that can be difficult to work on, because they put things certain ways that are complicated. For instance, like the exhaust and stuff like that is like, to get an actual full system, you got to pretty much take apart everything, the gas tank and everything, and yeah, there's a lot of work. But I don't plan on getting a full system. I'm gonna get just a catback system and call it a day. I mean, because the bike already sounds good stock. So alright, so let's get into all the stuff I added so far. Like I said, we're out here for the replacement bar ends, and I put on the black spring thing back there. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this during the ride, but it's also my second time with riding these Gillis tooling rear sets, which I actually like a lot. If you have the funds to get them, I'd say get them. They're about $900. I think they're like €900 if you get them from the website, but it converts over to like nine something and some change, $900 and some change for those. But yeah, you'll like them. I love them. So I just like how grippy everything is, how sturdy they are. Like, they're built with quality. The only thing, it could be my boost too, but the only thing right here, this is kind of slippery right here. I'd imagine your foot would slide. It'll probably break in, but I'd imagine your foot would slide off if it's like any kind of wet outside. So we'll start with the front of the bike. Got the this infamous Pooge windscreen. I installed it last year sometime, and I installed it because when I was riding, it was like really cold and windy, and I was trying to see if I'd test out something that might have hurt some of the wind off my chest. But yeah, so it's not a fashion thing or nothing like that, but you know, it's not to make the bike look good. I was trying to get the functionality out of it. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. It does get it off me. But you know, when you're going a decent amount of speed, I mean, nothing's really. It's a naked bike, so nothing's really going to protect it. Protect you from wind. It's a naked bike. It doesn't have a full windscreen like a full fairing bike. So next, I got the Rizoma sequential turn signals. So the sequential meaning it all goes like that. Pretty cool. I got these. No, I would have got the name of these things. I installed them today because my other ones pretty much just gave out, broke. Bar and mirrors. I wrapped the silver pieces, black gloss carbon fiber. We got the Ducabike caliber spacers. We got the Evotech front slider, foot frame sliders. There's the Evotech frame sliders here. And then we have the Gillis tooling, which I love so far. Gillis tooling. Rear sets. We have the Evotech rear slider. We have the NRC tail tidy, and I put some black tint around it, get rid of that white. We have the carbon fiber pinion or pillion, whatever they call it. And then we have the Stealth solo seat cover. This guy's staring at me like I'm crazy. On this side of the bike, we have the I think this is Ducabike kickstand pin. And this is the, oh yeah, I got the this RK Racing 520 chain, black and gold. This is a super light sprocket, super light and Ducabike sprocket cover. Ducabike nuts here and here. And then you see the black pin, replace that. And then we have the other side, the Evotech rear set. Yeah, so that's it pretty much with the bike. I'm digging it so far. I've almost had this thing for a year. Oh yeah, up here we got the TWM quick action gas cap. I think I used this thing like twice already, and I like it. Not having to use the key. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, these flimsy things held on so far, and I like the black pen over the silver. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.